Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start at a rec field with a scanner and habitat builder equipped. This is intentional because the console requires fragment data. Swim to nearby debris, focus on wrecks at 40 to 90 meters, and look for pale, rectangular fragments. Once you find a fragment, scan it immediately. This unlocks the corresponding blueprint. Make sure to mark the location with your PDA or build a small beacon so you can return quickly for more parts and assembly. Now you transition from general scanning to targeted searches. Head to wreck clusters and the moonpool area where console fragments spawn. Use your PDA's map and any beacons you placed earlier to follow clusters of fragments. This reduces wasted time. When you spot a console-shaped fragment, scan it to complete the blueprint requirements. Keep alternating between nearby wrecks and the seabed. This increases the spawn variety and raises your chance of finding all required pieces fast. Finally, build the vehicle upgrade console in a moonpool once all fragments are scanned. You need one console module and the moonpool structure. Install the console and dock your vehicle to access upgrade slots and storage. This is where you actually change modules. If the console doesn't appear, make sure all fragments were fully scanned. Sometimes you miss one. If problems persist, return to mapped wrecks, replace beacons, and rescan fragments. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.